aloha, welcome to today's video, everyone.
We're doing the last day of school.
Yep, it is kind of like the very last day of school before summer. We already had that though. Today we are going on a field trip to a homeschool day. This is for the month of June at the Ankeny Hill Nature Center. They're native plants and they're pollinators because June is pollinator month. This is last year's flyer. So let's go check it out. Let's go see how it is. To be fair, it is a little chilly outside looking because the weather is overcast. Here. I love you. I love you. You too. We picked some flowers from our garden before we left. Beautiful. The flowers are so fitting because just everything is in bloom. It's so beautiful. Listen to all the birds, you two. What a fun drive over the valley with some weather. Since the parking lot was full, we're gonna have this little walk up the path here. It's not too far. We're headed up to that building. I am an incredible sucker for flowers. Look at this. Just so beautiful. I love all the different types. Look at these ones. They're all starry. Look at that beautiful red stuff coming up. And then look, little butter looking cup ones. What else have you seen?
I saw a sign, but it's not our language.
What did that lady just tell you she saw? What? Didn't she say a couple even?
Couples around it. Look at these. These are good Christmas trees.
They kind of do, Sindel. Look, a lupine, just like what's in front of our house. And look, oh my goodness, the columbine. I love columbine.
Container, and it won't come out.
Lucas was pointing these out. Those are pretty wild looking. They're kind of a flower type. More lupine. We have some that look kind of like that at home. What'd you see? Love these. These ones remind me of the ones that she makes the flower ring in Robin Hood. Oh, a yellow one.
Yeah.
More lupine.
Daisies.
Yeah, daisies.
Daisies. Flowers.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. I dreamt over a bunch of ladybugs loving me so much they would make me a queen ladybug.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're not even to the tables and so much is happening. Eggshells is correct. Maybe some ducks or geese. This is a perfect spot for them to want to be. The snake.
That's so cool.
You think, Lukey?
I was wrong. I thought it was like some
he's decent size.
To pet.
Oh yeah, not to pet.
An oak tree will
could talk.
What kinds of stories would it tell?
You read the next one, Lukey.
Oak trees can live for hundreds of years.
What?
Generations of people, wildlife, and plants.
Many people have called this area home, and many wildlife species can call an oak tree their home. Good job reading it all, Lukey. They are peach. Are you kidding? What is this? I love it with like blue in the center. Wow. I think, is that some baby's breath? Maybe.
4-8.
Another ladybug.
Yeah, it's a ladybug. Ladybug.
Look at this one. Wow, it looks like art.
Whoa.
He is giant. Look at him, like compared to my ring for perspective. It's a giant bumblebee sleeping. He's so big she didn't recognize it. We're almost to the top. You need to get checked in.
Yes, thank you. Here is your stamp card.
Is there learning stations here? And you're gonna collect a stamp for each one of them? Are you gonna do the reading buddy or Sindel? So they're in the soil tunnel right now. They're marking things off. There's a little map thing here. Pretty cool. Look, Sindel. This is showing you the layers of the soil and what you find in each one.
From one plant to another.
Legs.
Yeah, and what's on the body in the legs.
Named after, we're the Xerces Society. Go. Stick to the back and hold up like a mask, but you don't need to. You can just color it with their emails.
Oh, it came out perfect, bud. They came out perfect. Love. We had one hitchhike in a boot with us. It's looking beautiful, Sindel.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Yes, yours is looking great too, bud. Into some inside stations now.
Whatever you want, but just remember,
We're gonna build a bug.
all bugs have a head. All bugs have these things.
How did your bug come out, Sindel? Pretty good. Did you get your page done here, buddy? Wow, look at that.
Between all three. So these have fuzzy bodies too. But one.
Oh, this is an exhibit for us. We already got the feeder going. Definitely no. Look, it shows you all the types of the hummingbirds. Really cool. Getting to see one up close and reflect on its feathers. Other side, Lukey. Pretty, huh, bud? What was that? Did you go through there? Little whole habitat. What? Did you become a mole too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool little habitat here that you can crawl through like a mole. Little nest babies. Grasshoppers. You're gonna learn about different types of soil and dirt. Sindel's ready for the dirt activity. What do you see over here? Some stickers, Lukey?
Thanks so much. Absolutely. Have a great day. I am a soil scientist. My name is Teresa Brain. Yeah, this is great.
It is.
Yeah. In front of us, I've got a couple of different types of soil. This one right here is a conventionally tilled soil sample. So this is something in a regular farm field where they're going through and plowing it all the time and there's not very many roots left. When I break it apart, it just kind of falls apart, right? And there's a lot of dust left over afterwards. What did you notice? So this is something that we call the slump test. Does anyone know what a slump is? A field where there's a little bit of cover left afterwards, after the crop was harvested. And this is the grass seed field. It's kind of like here at Ankeny Refuge, where we've got lots of different types of plants, right? So the water that's going to go off the front is going to be our runoff water. About the top of the soil for this sample versus this one over here.
You're gonna go over there and fill it halfway with soil.
Okay.
And then you're gonna come pick out about 3 or 4 plants from over here that you want to add.
Okay.
Dig a hole for them and carefully plant them and cover them with soil.
That sounds simple. You know how to do this. Let's go get a little bit of dirt. Thank you. So we'll grab some dirt here. Good job, Lucas. Good job, Sindel. Good job taking turns. Gotta help him here and make some holes for the plants to go down in. We want to do this one? We got our first one picked out. Let's pick out another one. Lukey, which one do you want to pick out? Oh, you got it in all by yourself. Good job. This is that milkweed. Let's get a hole for it.
Awesome. If you want to bring
Good job, buddy. Can you brush it around it gently? Look at you go. What a pro. Master gardener already.
Avery, do you have our stamp thing still?
Getting more picked out. I'm gonna try a snowberry here. Go ahead. We're gonna go in very carefully. Perfect, Sindel. Did you two get it all planted? Is it all set? Is this the stuff we're gonna take home?
Yeah.
It's wonderful. I love it. I can't wait to show Dad, huh? You too? It's your name on it and we'll come back for it. So proud of you two. This is my style, secret tunnel. We need to do something like this in our backyard, don't we? This is pretty rad in here. Does it remind you of being up in the forest in Hawaii? On Maui? I love it. Thanks for coming with me today, you two. I love you so much. So we're just like on the top of this hill. This is so rad. We just came across the milkweed. I know what this is now. This is what attracts a butterfly. We're taking some of this home today. I'm excited about it. Can you tell? Yep. The butterflies that like these are starting to become less and less. The Western monarch.
Bee Jeopardy.
All about the forest.
Our question.
Oh, this is cool.
You got it. Good job. Okay, where would you store your food on the picnic? Yeah, so they store it in their pollen basket. Good job.
What do you see, Sindel?
Right there, and then move that in and out.
Wow, all the bees. Are you looking for the queen?
Yeah.
Here you go, Lukey. You get a turn.
This is supposed to be this is each one of these little brain pieces.
Pretty cool, huh, bud? These two have received all of their stamps except for the last two. We're walking our way down to the last building and then to our car. Beautiful. See the water down there?
And then they'll fly over and all the vibrations from their wings will dislodge the pollen that they've gotten from the So yeah, just by being a bee, insects have compound.
What is that, Sindel? Are you looking the way a bee looks? A compound eye?
An example of the inside of the flower. Just like this.
Show Lukey.
But it can be cut in half, which is fun.
Let's look at you. Lukey, look at me. Honeybee! Hi, honeybee. Hey, bud, how do they look? Oh, you're a bug! What? Water critters! I see them! Look at these! What? Dragonfly larvae?
So these are baby dragonflies.
Wow, incredible! What a day. Check out this view. What? They're so cute. Do you see the frog legs coming out of the back of his tail?
So this is actually everything you're touching right now. It's just like sticks and plants and stuff. So the bug's actually inside. What it does, it makes itself a little home out of our
Cindy wanted to make one last thing, a little bee pencil topper here. Super cute. We attempted the antenna, huh, Lukey? So you two got all the stamps that you could get, and you get to turn it in for a prize. Yep, you each will get one. They had an awesome day. So glad we did this. You came away with beautiful stickers. Let's see. This is a beautiful sticker. Let's see yours, Zuki. We should put those on something special. Did you find yours here? You gonna help me carry it? Ready? Me and you, sis? Here we go. There we go. Me and Lukey will do it. All right, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Getting your plants planted?
Yeah.
It'd be beautiful. I love it, dude.
No picture, you want me, go figure. To the back, you a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back, to the front, you a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Stop, I'm special. Get me going till the end.
Yum.